Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Justin Rudicel.
Well, it was a typical Oklahoma summer weekend here in early half of July. High temperatures, upper 90s to lower 100s. A high temperature of 97 here in Oklahoma City. 1 degree cooler than yesterday. We had a high temperature of 98 yesterday, 97 today. Not much wind to speak of. A light east and northeast wind. Temperatures all across the state, middle to upper 90s to lower 100s out towards the west and especially southwest. Bacon once again, 104 there in Hollis, 105 in Alta. So it got me maybe thinking, if I went back 30 days when we turned off the faucet here in the beginning half of June, and since we've turned off the rain, how hot have temperatures been? The hottest temperature for that period from June 9th to yesterday, not including today, 99.9. That's the average high temperature. You got to go all the way back. We're in 15th place. So yes, it's been a little bit above average, and we're averaging 94.2 for an average high temperature over the last 30 days. Now look at this. The driest periods back in 1936, where we didn't even have a tenth of an inch. We're fourth. We've only had a quarter inch of rain since June 9th here officially at Will Rogers Airport here in Oklahoma City. That's our fourth driest stretch of weather for this period since records have been kept since 1890. So there's no reason when you look outside and see all the brown grass, if you're not watering it, that's why. We've really turned off and gone straight to summer, and it's been hot and dry. 80 degrees, a southeast wind at around 10. Quiet overnight, so nice and quiet weather. And nothing to talk about other than just stars out there. Moderate amounts of humidity. Again, that dry air came in today, helped temperatures a little bit, especially in the shade with the lower humidity. Once you get below the low 60s into the 50s, you're able to cool yourself off with a little bit of a breeze or find the shade. But it does increase tomorrow, and it will increase as we head towards on Tuesday with the front and an isolated shower. But we heat up, but we also dry out. With the dry ground, that's a little bit good, a little bit of good news there, as it will be more of a drier heat. But still, again, a little bit of humidity and temperatures low 100s. It's just going to be miserable out there no matter what. Jet stream stays off to the north. Yeah, the area of low pressure is falling apart as the area of high pressure, not only at the surface but aloft, moves back in. But like I mentioned, hot tomorrow, head of a front, and then 90s for Tuesday and Wednesday before we really start to see a stretch of some pretty hot weather. One of the hotter stretches we've seen since probably 2012, as we could be running 5, 6, 7 days straight with 100-degree heat here across Oklahoma City and, for that matter, most of the state. Upper 60s to low 70s here overnight. Pretty seasonable for this time of the year. We warm up quickly with abundant sunshine, a light south breeze, not much wind to speak of. High temperatures in the lower 100s here across Oklahoma City with that south wind. Ahead of a front, compressional heating, lots of sunshine. Temperatures could be as high as 108, maybe 110 degrees in northwest Oklahoma, the actual air temperature. And then that front comes in, a little bit more humidity, a northeast wind. Partly cloudy skies. There couldn't rule out an isolated shower or a thunderstorm Monday night into Tuesday and then into Tuesday night. But yeah, I'm throwing about a 20% chance. That's about it. It looks very low with any chances of rain. So hot tomorrow, a little bit cooler, but humidity on Tuesday, chance of a shower, and then middle to upper 90s Wednesday and Thursday. And then don't look, folks. If you don't like the heat, don't look at this. Lower 100s, a stretch of them through the rest of the 9-day period and probably beyond that as the drought continues to worsen. The Blitz is up next.